I would like to share with you today an exploration that I call a unity breath. And I think today, with everything going on, we could all use thoughts of unity, and also we could all use some breath. So for a moment, bring your attention to your breathing. Now be careful that as you bring your attention to your breathing, that you don't try to control it. Not right now. Just observe. Yeah, observe your breathing. Notice the movement. And notice any rhythm. Notice the rhythm. You breathe in and you breathe out. There's a rhythm. Notice the rhythm. And there are sensations. You'll feel a little bit of expansion, some tingling maybe. Yeah. So the unity breath includes the body. And then notice as your breath is moving that your mind can begin to settle just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit less active. Yeah. And then as you have your body and your mind coordinated, talking to each other, settled a bit, connected to you a bit, that invites or allows something just a bit larger, the spirit. So you can be aware of something a little bit larger in your environment, in yourself. So the unity breath includes your body, your mind, and your spirit, all communicating, connecting, and just see what that's like. Yeah. And you can take a moment in your day anytime and have a unity breath. Great. Thank you. Again, I'm Betsy Polatin, and this has been A View from the Heights. Thank you.